My name is Troy, and my team and I introduce to you Wordio. Wordio transforms written content on the web to audio instantly. Listen to your favorite articles on your iPhone while driving, exercising, or simply relaxing. Now we'll introduce the problem presented and our awesome solution. Mind you, half our team hasn't seen this, it literally just got done. I can't believe we just pulled this off.
This is the age of multitasking. We simply don't have the time to consume all the content we like to. What if you had access to your favorite print news sources while jogging? Or could keep up with the latest articles from your Twitter feed while driving? You need an easy way to access the information you want, when you want it, without interrupting your life. Let Wordio read it to you. Your favorite Twitter feeds, web articles, and social updates delivered to you hands-free so you can get more done.
Okay, we'll go into our market customers. Okay, so our immediate target, our first movers, are going to be time-starved, information-hungry people who consume their content from Twitter. This is initially. So our market penetration, our customer acquisition strategy. So we'll be adamantly targeting people who are familiar with consuming content already through audio. These are the audiobook market, which is estimated at $1 billion a year and growing at 12%. The podcast market. 17 million people have downloaded a podcast, 3 million do so regularly. We're already in contact with over 30 influential tech sector podcast publishers, aiming to gain exposure through interviews and product briefs. And then the disability community, which is a $3 trillion a year market. So this is people with visual impairments, which is 25 million adult Americans either have trouble seeing with contacts or glasses or are completely blind. And that's just the adults. Then speech impediments and autism. So we'll go into revenue. I'm going to introduce Zach, and he'll be talking about how we're going to make money.
Hi, so we have a lot of really innovative ways that we're going to make money. So the first one is that we are a freemium model, okay? The second one is that we can supply targeted, specific, suggested articles to users within their queue. Finally, smart ads. This is the long-term vision of our company and really the golden goose, what we're striving for. We're building our own ad platform that's going to give publishers access to data never before available. Using the iPhone's built-in technology, such as the accelerometer and location-based services, we'll be able to tell publishers not only what content is being consumed, but how, when, and where. These are powerful analytics, and not only powerful, but valuable. Picture this. You're using our app to listen to the New York Times while you're commuting on the highway. We can tell that you're in a car going 70 miles an hour and that there's a Starbucks coming up in 3 miles. We can provide an audio ad to you and plant the idea in your mind. So when you see the sign for Starbucks on the exit sign, you might just pull over.
Good. Go. Okay, so this is the process right now, what you have to do to go about obtaining an audio file from a text-based website. So you visit the website, you copy and paste the text into a text-to-speech engine of your choice, you download the file, you then import it into iTunes, and then sync it with your phone. This is Wordio. You visit the site, you tap the play button. Okay, there's nothing really quite like this on the market right now. So, Tweet Aloud. Tweet Aloud actually just has horrible user interface, horrible user experience, if I might add. It just instantly starts reading your actual Twitter feed. So the actual 140-character tweets that people are talking about, which usually aren't the most important part. So Speak It allows you to input text into your phone that you're typing, hit play, and then it reads back to you. The Kindle has text-to-speech technology, but you can't. It only works for books. You can't use it on the web. This is our team, the Wordio bunch, because your company is your people, right? So everybody's here. Okay, so in 54 hours, under 54 hours, it had 70 plus likes on Facebook, 200 plus followers on Twitter, and wait for it, revenue $49. So we're charging $1 on our website to a private invite to our beta testing, so you can be the first to test our app when we launch. And here's the actual app built in the iOS simulator, which we put onto a phone right now. This is what it will look like, and this is pretty close.
It's on this laptop, but it's running synchronized over the web. So.
And we're also we're calling a text-to-speech engine that is really crappy, to be quite honest with you. If we would have had another hour, we could use the text-to-speech engine that we want to use, which we'll also do. Audio.
My life I've seen through the interpretive filter that is me.
Okay, you get it. This is what it's supposed to sound like. We got another hour. This is the text-to-speech engine we'll be using.
All right, thanks,
So
guys.
the weekend is totally awesome.
So that's what it's going to sound like. Actually, no, leave them off. This is our website. Feel free to check it out. Hit $1. Get you in. Questions?
Yeah, so you want to be the Pandora of printing?
No. Okay. So essentially, we have way bigger ambitions. We want to build an audio layer over the entire internet. We want you to come across an internet web text article wherever you are, your laptop browser, your iPhone browser, and be able to tap one button and listen to it. Tap another button to add it to your queue, which will be on our web app or your mobile app. So let's do it anytime.
So the question is, how does it know where to start? I mean, is it always going to start at the beginning?
No, so we're calling Twitter's API. So it's bringing our initial version. We want to take the work out of on the user's end. So we didn't want them to have to import content to find what they're going to listen to. So we're using your Twitter feed.
What I'm saying is this. So there's an article about Commissioner Deloge down there.
Yep.
It's 10 pages long.
Yep.
Well, I don't want
to read the whole
I
thing.
don't want to read the whole thing. I want to start reading on page 9.
Okay, sure. So that's functionality that will be easily implemented if we had more than 48 hours.
Another piece of USA Today.
Sure.
I get USA Today. It's a particular article. How do I get to a particular article? I don't want to.
Okay. So the long-term vision, and maybe it's a little bit shorter time frame when we can get there. Working on this constantly, but we want to have a button. We want to work with publishers and license the technology. So we give them a snippet of code. They insert it into their backend, and there's a little share button on the side of every article, just like your Facebook share button right there. You tap the play button, and the article plays to you. It's that easy. No, everything's going on in the background. You don't see anything. You wait 2 seconds, and the article starts playing.
I'd like to add to that. In less than 48 hours, we contacted a couple site owners. We have sites literally ready to participate with over 3 million unique visitors
And these are
per
quotes
year.
from the founders of the site.
3 million visitors per year.
I have a suggestion, not really so much a comment. Why not make this a Google Chrome plugin or browser plugin?
So we initially were going to build like a sort of three-legged monster, right?
Right.
A mobile application, a web application, and a browser plugin. So you can visit any article, right-click the article, and add it right to your queue. You visit the web app or your iPhone app, and you can listen to it. Or so that's the goal, right? The goal is to create this audio layer over the web, so you can, as easy as it can possibly be, listen to whatever text is in front of you on the internet. Period.
Good idea.
Will it be able to read statistics like the stock market reports or something like that, or the baseball, whatever, the standings in the baseball or something like that?
So, yes, eventually we want to integrate with every single platform. So we want to optimize for every single platform. So whether you're reading statistics or you're reading your email, you can get it read to you. And eventually we can have speech-to-text technology implemented as well. So you can give your phone commands. So you could say next, and the phone will go next. So you never have to take it out of your pocket. Also, all your items that you're adding to your queue, which is a list of articles.
Thank you.
Next.
Thank you.
Good job, Troy.
Can everybody participate in drum roll, please? Like everybody.
And the winner is Wordio.
You're sick, man. Come on, you guys. Good job, you guys.